Okay, so you've got a busy puppy. You got a little dog who gets distracted by the whole world. This little creature is one of my favorites, but she sees everything. The birds, oh my God, I gotta go smell that thing over there. So here's a really great practical skill to teach him, to come and touch your hand. Nothing fancy here, just nose, target to hand. You can do 2 fingers for these little guys, or you can do a flat palm. It's a really useful skill. You can use it for loose leash walking, you can use it for distraction, you can use it as a redirect. A lot of people are starting to use it with their recall, so it can become to touch. So they come all the way to him. Phoebe, Phoebe, Phoebe. Yes, good. And so all I'm gonna do is kind of bonk her. She's coming in to see my hand. I've got food in this hand, nothing in this hand. She doesn't know, it's like a magic trick. I move backwards, yes. Good job. Open my hand right before she gets there and then deliver the food. You hear me say yes, it's just a reward marker, not as important as her getting the food for touching. Right now I'm doing most of the work. Yes, good girl. Ready? Yes, good. Now I'm showing her the open hand. We're gonna start building the cue. Touch, yes. So touch doesn't mean anything yet. She's just gonna start building this association. Touch, yes. Good touch, good girl, this is touch. She's like, I don't know what you're talking about. Touch, yeah, good girl. Touch, yes. Good job. I love playing this game, indoors, outdoors. You see I've got a 15-foot long leash. I love doing this kind of training with her. She can go sniff around, get distracted, and then when I need her, Phoebe, Phoebe. Touch, yes, good girl. Starts to become this really useful game. I'm just gonna walk around and offer it. Yes. Now I've got a perfect healing dog. She likes liver, huh? Touch. Good. Good girl. She hit my hand with some intensity there. Good. So intentional movement. Touch. Oh, she's upside down. Yes, good job. You can test this to see, does she know it? She doesn't really know it yet. She's just looking at that visual prompt. She's like, which behavior do you want? You ready? Touch. Yes, good girl. But she's starting to put it together. So do short versions of this where you practiced often, and all of a sudden you're gonna have a little squiggly dog who likes to come close to you and pay attention. So if distraction is a big thing for you, like it is for Miss Phoebe, teach him to come and touch your hand.